हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू मानवी टिप्स। ईद मुबारक सबसे पहले आप सबको, और आई होप ऑल द ब्लेसिंग्स आफ्टर रमज़ान कम्स टूवर्ड्स यू and the next year is filled with a lot of happiness. So what you guys are looking at is a digital wall art design. It would be 3 pictures, triptych image, and this is one of them. You can use it as a wall decor, and 2 images, 2 pictures can be used as a set. It can be used individually and 3 together to lift up your interior, to lift up your room. So this is something very simple, basic, that I made especially for this Eid, because I love how during the Eid we make an effort to meet up, and this would be one of the good designs that you can put up on your wall just to make your space more lively, traditional, and interesting. So hope you all like this, and it's a very quick, simple, easy video to make your house look like a home. Thank you for watching Manvi Tips.